you responsible for your organisation's marketing spend? Then I'm sure you already know that the average allocation of marketing budgets in 2025 for cybersecurity and technology firms was approximately 7.7 to 10% of total company revenue. More interestingly, when we look at VC-backed cybersecurity firms, they have historically spent as much as a staggering 41 to 60% of their revenue on sales and marketing, and that's to capture market share quickly. These figures represent millions, if not hundreds of millions of dollars, especially when referring to the giants in this space. Did you also know that the majority of marketing spend doesn't produce a clear return on investment back to the business? Do you have business development specialists that only achieve a 2% hit rate when cold calling? Do you have an outdated email newsletter that generally gets a 1 to 2% click rate? Do you have a 50% or more dropout rate when organising face-to-face events? And do you also have to pay to play to work with partners, hoping that they will sell your solutions or ask you to pay to feature at either their kickoff or customer events? But they still can't guarantee you leads. So, you answered yes to one or more of those questions. This is all seen as standard pipeline building practices though, right? Wrong. It's outdated pipeline building. So in 2026, why not invest your marketing spend into producing content with me on Talking Tech, where we can professionally and meticulously showcase your brand? Together, we can delve into your USPs, highlight your portfolio, and more importantly, provide a click-to-action outcome. Why not announce a new product or version release, feature a win wire or a customer testimonial, talk and/or demonstrate your solution? Let me reference a report, a survey, or a case study. Or perhaps you want to mention key statistics. Finally, your content is filmed, edited, and produced all within the Cheeky Monkey Professional Studios in Berkshire. Get in touch with me right now to discuss your 2026 marketing strategy.